crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here to share some Memorydex cards that I made recently. I was in a Disney state of mind. I do have some Disney papers, and I think I did do something the other day where I showed you guys something with Disney, and that kind of made me go back through all my Disney papers, and I was like, oh, I have this, and oh, I have this one, and oh, let me make some Memorydex cards, because I haven't done that in a while. And for my Memorydex cards, and I'll try to link as many of them as I can find them, I used my AliExpress Memorydex cards, Memorydex dies to make Memorydex cards. Ooh, Lord, ooh. Alrighty, so I didn't use this one, but I made a few. No, I used this one. That's from KS Craft. I used this one, which I had said this could be a shaker. I don't even know how this is going to be a shaker. I don't know. You'd have to, I don't know. It just didn't turn out the way I thought it was going to turn out. It's cute, but I did use my favorite, the Becky Cat. The most straightforward one is still a good one. I used the Becky Cat film strip. I also use this. This is not from Becky Cat. I think this is Lovecraft or something. I will link it below because I did see that. Didn't use this. Didn't use this. Did I? I don't even think I used this. And this Mickey Mouse ears came as a freebie with this die, which is nice. And I didn't use this one either. So I used some of them, and yeah, I used some of them. So let me show you what I made in my quest of all things Disney. So first up, I did Magical Memories. And this is that beautiful, why I love this one actually. The die comes with the outer piece, which is decorative, which is like this little loopy teardrop scallop edge. And then it comes with that inner layering piece. Let me find the die. That's this set. Really, really love this set. Cute, cute, cute. I used some yellow basil cardstock and just cut out one of the cut parts from, I think it's a Echo Park. I was using Echo Park Disney themed paper, theme park paper, because they don't call it Disney. I guess they don't have a contract with them, but it says Magical Memories. We know where they're talking about. And then I have this little Mickey Mouse sticker, so I added it to it and made this cute little Memorydex card. This is a super cute set. I made 2 of it actually. Here's the second one. And with this one, I used some die cut ephemera from one of the little packs that come with it. So this is definitely Echo Park. And also these 2 are stickers from a sticker pack. And this is on 110-pound cardstock. So yes, the die will cut through 110 pound, just run it twice. And look at that. And I love how this layering top piece just goes right on top. And I sort of made a little hill for the, girls to be walking as if they're in the park. Yes, I want to go back to Disney. But, you gotta buy the tickets in advance, book the day. You can't park hop. I have my special needs daughter with me. There's no accommodation so far. It's just like too many things to go, oh no, it's okay. Not this year then. Maybe next year. There's Gina. So this now I did this one. This is the straightforward square one from Becky Cat. That's this set. And so I hate when the light shines. So I used a frame from the ephemera. I still think this is the same Echo Park. Magical Memories maybe. 110-pound cardstock. It cut through well. And here we are in the park. I just layered it up. I used this little piece here to do the heart. Yes, that's the same Weekender bag heart again. I'm still in love with the Weekender bag heart. It was down here too, but then I decided to put this on top of it. This little ephemera piece, Dream Big, because I have the castle in the background. So that's another Memorydex card. And see, you can have Memorydex card. It doesn't have to be all die cut pieces. It can be photographs. because it is my memories. And here's another one. This one is I think this is a KS Craft. Yes, pull it out. This KS Craft die, which has the outside stitched cloud edge plus this inner layering stitch piece. It does come with these 2 tabs, which I didn't use, but super cute. And I cut it out of red foil cardstock and a griffin. And on the back I used, what did I put here? Oh, 110-pound craft cardstock. So this is nice and well reinforced. This is a little Polaroid die from my stash, trying to figure where. Put a little sticker on it. And then here, this background part, that's actually from the 12 by 12 pattern paper. I just cut it down and sort of layered up. This little fireworks, I had shown you guys this before. The fireworks die that Nicole Silhouette created. It comes from, oh goodness, I think it's Surprise Creation. If I find it, I will link it below because this is a great die to have in your stash. If you have a birthday, any celebration. It was originally with a New Year's set, but it's all year round. Anything to celebrate. I have it down here and up here just to add texture and movement to my Memorydex while Gina is smiling with Pluto. You know, sometimes I look at Pluto and I'm like, is that Pluto or is that Goofy? Is that Pluto or Goofy? I always have to pause for a second because they kind of look alike in the face, but okay, moving on. And then my last Disney Memorydex. So I made 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. No, 5 Memorydex Disney cards. This one, Weekender bag, the glasses, the Bright Eyes glasses. Here I just use some sentiments from the Echo Park 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Here, this is just a die cut image from one of their ephemera packs. Cut 2 balloons. These balloons are from My Favorite Things. It's a die and a film strip. So it's this one, the film strip that comes from Becky Cat store. I will link that below. They still have that in stock. Super duper cute. Here I cut it out of black foil cardstock. Now black foil cardstock, I usually buy around Halloween when I see it because I know it's not the easiest thing to find. But when I see it, I get it. I love the shine on the black foil cardstock because it does look like, you know, like a real film strip. So that's cute. And I put it on a black 110-pound background. So that's kind of cute. So here, so we can compare all the Disney goodness. So you can make a bunch of Memorydex cards. If you go on a trip to Disney, either Disneyland, Disney World, and you know, you want to theme it out for the month, make a bunch of Memorydex cards. Or if you go on a cruise, make a bunch of cruise cards. Well, not cruise lately, but maybe if you're crafting a cruise that you did before the pandemic, because a lot of us, we have photos from way back when. I have a trip in Alaska over 2 years ago now. Have I done anything with it yet? No. So I can actually make Memorydex cards with that. So if you have something like that, you can also theme it out this way, or your kids playing sports. Cute, cute, cute. I really love this one. And the cloud one I think is just a fun edging. And of course, straightforward Memorydex. And the film strip. I think these are, you know, these are really, really cute from AliExpress. I haven't used this one yet, and I don't know what I'm waiting for. All right, now I'm going to show you the heart. I made 2 examples of the heart, and not fascinated by it. All right, so here's the first one, and here's the second one, but I'll show you the first one first. So this one, I cut the background out of some basil cardstock, nice thick cardstock. Then I cut the maze part out of glitter, and I realized, see right here, it's open. I guess I don't know how I would. I thought I saw this made as a shaker, but I don't know how you would make it as a shaker. I'd have to scan this in and do something on a machine. No, too much to try and get the 1/8 of an inch all the way around to turn this thing into a shaker. But I thought I saw it that way. Maybe I was wrong. And I used this sentiment from my stash. It is from an AliExpress. AliExpress planner page die set designed by Nicole Silhouette. And it does come with the sentiment, always loved. So I thought, you know, heart with the maze, always love, you know, kind of cute. Then the second time, I didn't really like how it came out this way. Maybe it was the color choices, I don't know. So I decided to go a little bit darker for contrast. So I went light here with the background, which is a pink 110-pound cardstock from Michaels. And then I did black cardstock here. This one, is this 110? It may be 110 too. So it actually cut out the image. See how right there you can see the maze, but I kept all the pieces together this time. Trying to focus. There we go. Now you can see it. And then with this, I used the hugs. Where does the hugs come from? My stash. This is that Trinity Stamps intertwined heart. Remember from my haul, I had this extra piece cut out, so I just threw it on top of it just to add some variety. So I made 2 Memorydex cards with the heart. It's cute. I mean, you could do more with it, of course. You could do 2 photos, you could do a bunch of hearts, you could layer it up more. I was just getting a feel for the die. I love the base. I'm not sure if I love this part, but I do love this part. So I could do something with this, you know, it just, well, however you feel. And at the price point on AliExpress, it's like I'm getting this and that's a freebie. Alrighty, folks. So I was playing away with my Memorydex dies. I have about 10 or 12 of them. And I had all kinds of fun creating all kinds of memories to put in my little Memorydex spinner. As a matter of fact, if you are still thinking about getting the Heidi Swapp Memorydex spinner, scrapbook.com has that pink one and they've had it on sale for a while now at $15.99. That's not bad. Now my own is white. Someone had commented, you know, she had spray paint hers. I'm not going to spray paint it. I'll just leave it white. But $15.99 if you're thinking about getting a spinner. The little, let me show you my spinner. Oh, the spinner. As you can see, this is all nice and empty, so I need to load it up with all these memories. But get the spinner in pink at $15.99. That's not bad at scrapbook.com. Alrighty, guys. Pull out your photos and such and create your own Memorydex and have a good time, all right? And I will link below all these goodies, all these dies from AliExpress, so you can get to making your own Memorydex cards. Alrighty, folks, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.